Benfeld, 1922. Joseph Siat founds the Lower Rhine electromechanical manufacturing company that becomes some years later Socomec. The company produces a varied range of products: lever-controlled switches, porcelain insulators, bells, rotisseries, etc. After the Second World War, production focuses on electromechanical equipment: switchgear, fuses, panel switchgear, etc. In 1966, the company employs 200 people. Pierre and Maurice Siat take over the running of the company from their father. Socomec has already established a specialist reputation. The power testing laboratory is set up to test and certify switching products. Bernard Steert, a young electrical engineering graduate and grandson of the founder, takes over responsibility for the lab. At the 1967 Bâle Trade Fair, the Socomec managers become acquainted with Agi, a Swiss manufacturer of UPS equipment, a new technology that's just emerging. Socomec, looking to diversify, becomes the exclusive agent for Agi UPS in France and Belgium. 1968. The electronics division is launched with Bernard Steert at its head. Socomec becomes the first manufacturer to offer UPS to the French market. Time now to get themselves known. 1969. The Crédit Lyonnais Bank HQ near Paris installs the largest bank data processing center in France and chooses Socomec UPS to protect their IT equipment. Another bank, the Caisse Nationale du Crédit Agricole, adopts the same approach soon after. 1972. The UPS team gets larger and now has solid technical experience behind it. The first Socomec UPS under license from Agi are manufactured in Alsace. 1973. The Paris Stock Exchange protects its monitor screens with Socomec UPS. 1974. The company's first sales subsidiary is set up in Belgium. 1975. The Kourou Data Processing Center in French Guiana equips its launching pad for the Ariane space program. 1976. The French Space Telecommunications Center also opts for Socomec UPS. Very soon, all the France Telecom's international network stations follow suit. 1981. The first UPS R&D engineers are hired. 1983. A new technological high point is reached. Socomec launches the first thyristor-based UPS systems with PWM technology. More performance from equipment with a reduced footprint. From now on, Socomec manufactures its own UPS. 1985. Cogema equips its uranium reprocessing plant in The Hague with Socomec UPS. All the other Cogema plants will soon be equipped too. 1986. The production facilities in Benfeld are reorganized. Plants 1 and 2 are to produce for the switchgear division. The UPS division sets up shop in the nearby village of Hüttenheim, a factory that the company has recently acquired. This becomes the group's Plant 3. 1987. Socomec develops its first static transfer systems for France Telecom. 1990. The A2S92 range of UPS is launched. This represents the first generation of equipment with a 3-phase output transform. 1991. Ever keen to develop the UPS division, Bernard Steert starts looking for a partner with expertise in low and medium power UPS. At the Hanover Trade Fair, he meets the Italian manufacturer Sicom that has 15 years' experience in this field. Bernard Steert and Gabriel Oriot, the founder of Sicom, decide to unite the destinies of their respective companies. 1992. Michael Carter takes over the running of the division. Under his guidance, the partnership with Sicom will become more concrete, based on mutual trust and respect. During the 10 years of his directorship, he goes on to successfully develop the company's international profile, with the support of Alain Zorba, Director of Sales and Marketing. 2 new sales subsidiaries are therefore set up in Germany and Spain. Socomec UPS are chosen to protect CBS TV broadcasts during the Albertville Winter Olympics. 1993. The world-famous Louvre Museum equips its premises to protect their lighting and security systems. 1994. The Delphis range is launched. These are the first high-power UPS with a 3-phase inverter bridge using IGBT technology. The Société Générale in the Défense district of Paris equips its trading rooms, the largest European installation of UPS for its time. In competition with 20 European companies, Socomec wins the contract to supply frequency converters for the Charles de Gaulle nuclear-powered aircraft carrier. This is the market's finest military benchmark reference. 1996, a sales subsidiary is set up in Thailand. 1997, followed by another in the UK. 1998, After 7 years of exemplary partnership, Secon finally merges with the Socomec Group. The UPS division now operates under the name Socomec Secon. Secon's subsidiaries in Slovenia and Singapore also join the Socomec Group. The first 800 kVA UPS with IGBT is unveiled at the Elec Trade Fair in Paris. 2001, birth of Modulus, the new range of modular UPS. 2002, this year sees the launch of the Charis range of DC power systems and the Phasis AC power system, also modular. 2003, Pascal Kim, Group Financial Director for over 10 years, now becomes the new Managing Director of the UPS division. The Delphis DS range is launched. This represents the first generation of equipment with a clean rectifier to avoid contamination of the electrical supply network. A new sales subsidiary is set up in the Netherlands. 2004, launch of the Masteris range with independent microprocessor and low distortion rate. A market study by consultants Frost & Sullivan results in Socomec Secon UPS receiving first prize for its excellent customer service. 2005, the new range of Delphis MX from 300 to 500 kVA, the most compact unit on the market, with technical innovations such as the touchscreen control panel or the intermittent recharge that prolongs the service life of the batteries. A sales office in Moscow and a subsidiary in China are opened. 2006, a subsidiary in India is set up. The Allianz Stadium in Munich is equipped for the final of the World Cup. Innovation is the name of the game, and in partnership with the American company Pentadyne, Socomec now offers the market a dynamic energy storage system, the UPS with flywheel. Such technology provides battery-free protection for mission-critical applications. Socomec once again receives a Frost & Sullivan Award for being the market's most innovative UPS manufacturer. 2007, Socomec changes its visual identity. Socomec Secon becomes Socomec UPS. Staying competitive and maintaining jobs in their historic production facilities, such is Socomec's determination. A concrete example, Secon builds a new factory in Italy under the direction of Renato Fratta. 5,000 square meters of space that takes inspiration from the organizational concepts developed by Toyota, a real production laboratory. 2008. This year has seen the launch of the Delphis Green Power range with high output capacity, an adapted response that meets the growing need to make energy savings. Several Olympic sites in Peking are equipped with Socomec UPS equipment. Socomec UPS today maintains a worldwide presence and continues to supply equipment and services to the most demanding customers and for the most critical applications. Telecom, data centers, industry, banking and insurance, public and military transport, the healthcare sector, etc. Proud of its independence, proud too of its skills and expertise. Ever looking for the most innovative solutions, Socomec UPS looks to its future with confidence and looks forward to meeting you again in 40 years.